Today we're going to talk about this Audi Sportback here. Let's take a look at this car that came in the box. It has a V6 3.2 liters. I know you could get a 1.2 liter inline 4 for better fuel economy. Front wheel drive, or in this case this one's got the Quattro system. And this is the second generation that was from 2003 to 2013. And it's a Sportback. The Sportback means it's a 4-door, and it's a little bit longer than a 3-door. It's longer by like 80 millimeters. Okay, here are the other color choices there. Came screwed to this base in this blister pack. And let's see this box here. Audi collection number 2. And then this is from 2016. And if you want to pause, there are the other vehicles. I'm going to have to try to get most of those. I'm looking for a price. I don't see anything. Nope, I do not. Okay. So the very first A3 came out in '96, but this is the second generation, where I believe the grille is taking up the whole front end there. This was designed by a gentleman, Audi Tt Coupe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that name correctly. Let's see here. The wheels are pretty close, right? They're not identical, but they're close. Alright. And then the rear view. Yeah, the shape of the tail lights seems appropriate. The overall proportions look nice. Yeah, exhaust is in the right location. Alright, so seems okay as usual from Kyosho. Now this red is just a regular red. It's not metallic or anything like that. So it's laid on pretty thick. And I'm pretty positive it's going to get paint rash someday. Oh, in fact, it might be starting already there. A very faint amount. You can see some dots there. Some black paint on the window molding here. The door handles have a little depth below them. The fuel filler cap. These wheels are kind of bad, or the paint is bad. It's not very smooth. Whoa, I see what's happening, you see? So this model is from 2016, was it? And the paint is already falling apart. Alright, I'll have to repaint these wheels, I guess. Going to the front end. We got the grille here, and then chrome around it, a little marker of some sort. Maybe it says Quattro or something. Unfortunately, the chrome is missing here. I hope this isn't flaking off either. It doesn't seem to be, so that's good. The headlights have some little rib details, so that's pretty neat. Some silver paint in there. These are like a separate black plastic piece. And then, whoa, tiny little grill right there. So that's accurate. This side here. Yeah, so the wheels obviously look bad. And that is why. Alright. It's pretty much the same as the other side, just no fuel filler. There's a tiny silver marker there. No silver on the mirrors. And then the taillights do look good. I mean, they're clear plastic. But it looks like there's a little orange in there as well. And in there, it says A3. It says 3.2. Maybe like VR6 under there. Let's see. No, I can't tell. But the outer rings look okay. Then it's got a 3-dimensional rear wiper blade molded in there. And it's raised, yeah. Top. It's, yeah, that could be indication of some paint rash developing. Tires have really good tread. Very realistic tread. All season type of tires. Unfortunately, this thing is press fit together. I would have guessed this would have been screwed together, being from 2016, but no, I guess not. Decent enough detail on the bottom, and then yeah, it rolls. It's squeaky though. So removing those wheels is going to be a challenge, since it's I don't want to drill it apart. Anyways, the interior has your typical black molded details. So yeah, you can see some of it there. Just no additional color. Alright, well, yeah, another blemish on the hood there. A little orange peely as well. So, well, I didn't pay too much for this. I mean, I really had no desire to even have this in my collection, but I got it pretty inexpensively, so I figured why not. Let's see. I'm gonna just compare to two other cars. I think it would have been cross-shopped with this Alfa Romeo here. This is an Alfa 147, I believe. I'm starting to put stickers on the bottom of my cars. So this was sold between 2002 and 2010. So 147 GTA. And so, let's see here. Yeah, they're pretty much competing in the same category of vehicles, seems. Same size, pretty much. The thing is, the Audi's a 5-door, and the Alfa's a 3-door. So, convenience-wise, I think I'd rather own the Audi. Styling-wise, well, that's questionable. I'm not really sure if I'm a fan of either of these, to be honest with you. Oh well. And the other Audi I'm going to bring out here is an Audi Tt Coupe. This is the second generation Tt Coupe, I believe, and this is also made by Kyosho. That's a nice model. I really like this TT. Okay, it's a nice metallic blue on that TT. Seems to have better taillights too. But this is also press fit together. I think it came from the same collection maybe, or maybe the first Audi collection. Alright, well, nothing too flashy today, guys. But, you know, if you actually own this car in real life, I think you kind of have to get this. It's a pretty good representation. Only the wheels are slightly off. They don't have this little depression right here. But I can't imagine this model cost a great deal amount of money when it was brand new. And they don't really even cost a great deal of money on eBay, because it's not a hypercar, right? Alright, well anyways, I will try to get some more of those Audis from this collection, and hopefully you'll be around to see those reviews.